Hi, Zulily fans. Joe here, your resident Lego expert, and we have an exciting, fun video for you here today. We are celebrating all things toys on Zulily with a fun race to build of this great Lego set. And joining me for this build is Lottie, a big-time Lego builder. Hello, Lottie. How are you? All right, so on the count of 3, we're going to start building. You're going to race me, and we're going to see who wins. Hit us up in the comments. Let us know who you think is going to win, Lottie or Joe. I mean, my expertise is usually just the Lego bow ties. This will be a fun set to build. Jasmine's Petite Tower, we're going to give it a go. Are you ready?
Yes!
Yes! All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, build! Okay, you already have your pieces out, and you're going by the instructions. And you already have your Jasmine built too. My Jasmine is not built. All right, let's get these boxes out of the way. Oh boy. All right, there you go. Following the instruction booklet, piece by piece, brick by brick. Have you seen Aladdin? Yes, I think we are laser beam focused over here. I think it'd almost be cheating if I ask her distracting questions. I will talk and build here. All right. Okay, now I'm ready to build. Oh my goodness, look how much you've already built. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try to build it. How you doing? You're very far ahead of me. Okay, here we go. Okay, and we're building, and we're building, and we're building. And I feel like I've already built it incorrectly. But it helps to do it by the instructions. Okay, ooh, I see what I did wrong there. Okay. Okay, great. All right. Oh no, I think I might still be able to pull this out. All right. Here we go. Oh, you're done? Oh no, my word. Okay, you are a great builder. I have met my match here with Lottie. Thank you so much. High five. Well done, Jasmine's Petite Tower. This is fun for everybody. And come to Zulily for all your toy needs. We have toys on the site every day. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for commenting. We'd love to hear from you. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye, Lottie.
Bye.